Well, we opened two packages that were checking all four wires. But I can't have this by my feet.
Let me take this off. So, okay, this phone right here. We'll plug it in my phone. That one.
Show it. Show the charging. The charging.
I'm gonna turn it
Turn
off.
off and see if it's charging. This thing smells.
Okay, what's on? I'll turn it off. Okay, let me see.
You gotta turn it back on again.
No, to show you what they're.
It's charging. Okay, now
See?
I'll put the other plug in.
Okay, that one works. Okay.
Here, give me this one. We can put them back in the boxes so they don't get lost
Yeah.
or damaged.
You see right there?
Do the next one.
Wait.
Do the next one.
That's two. That's two down.
Okay, that's that one.
Three. Three.
And
We have chat that say they work. If they don't work, we can take it back, send it back.
send it back.
Yeah, they both works.
Here's just one now. I'm gonna put these back in the box.
Yeah.